my name is Vas and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I want to talk about the Canon camera lens, which is 24-70mm. So I've got here the EF 24-70mm Canon camera lens. It's a Mark II and I want to talk about this lens, if it's worth it to buy in 2024. So as we all know, the Canon has released its own new line of lenses and cameras, which are RF version. So now people tend to sell the EF lenses to upgrade to RF lenses. Personally, I still using the EF lenses because it's really costly to upgrade to RF lenses. Also, the EF lenses are still good lenses if you own them. If you're planning to upgrade to RF lenses, I would probably suggest to just buy new RF lenses and just don't invest anymore in EF lenses and just continue to use EF lenses because they're all compatible with RF bodies. So in this video, I want to talk if this lens is still worth buying in 2024. I would say yes. If you don't have your budget to go with RF 24-70mm, I would say the EF will do the job, good as RF lens. So this lens has been on the market for nearly 12 years and it's been done pretty good. I own this lens for I think 2 or 3 years. I'm quite happy with it. Something to consider, its weight. It's around 1 kg, so just to be more specific, it's 805 grams. It's quite heavy depending on what body you're using. I'm using this lens on my 7D Mark II, which is another heavy body, so it's nearly 2 kg in my hand, to be honest, but obviously it's worth it just to get that quality on images. If you already have upgraded your camera to an RF body, then EF lenses will still be compatible with your body, but you're gonna have to buy a separate adapter, which is EF to RF adapter, which you can buy from Canon. It's a good deal and that's what I'm planning to do once I've upgraded my camera. Some things to consider about this lens: it is quite cheap now on the market. If you're planning to buy it like second hand, you'll probably buy it under £1,000 depending on where you are and its condition. If you're planning to buy brand new from Canon, it's around £2,100. Check online, but considering that RF 24-70mm, it's pretty much the same price. I would go with RF version if you don't have this lens. So this lens is pretty good if you do landscapes, portrait, even a bit of wildlife as well, depending how close you are to the subject. So this lens is pretty much the lens which is attached to my camera pretty much all the time. In terms of video, I haven't done any videos with this lens, but I'm sure it's quite sharp, same as when I'm doing images. In my case, the only downside about this lens is that it doesn't have image stabilization, which is a bad thing. But if you have like tripod, you should be alright. Most of the time I don't shoot on tripod, so it's handheld, and I haven't noticed any issues on my images. They pin sharp and colorful. I don't complain. I have no complaints about this lens. I will probably use it for another years ahead. I really hope it will last me a lifetime. And when it comes to upgrade to a new lens, will probably be an RF lens. At the moment, I'm still sticking with EF lens 24-70mm, which I'm happy. As I said, it weather filled, means you can shoot in rain, in storm, with no issues. It's a dust proof as well, which is a good thing, but you need to make sure your camera is weather filled and dust proof as well. So it's no point attaching a very expensive lens to a really cheap camera body and just go out there and shoot in really bad weather because you're risking your lens. Everyone knows lenses are more important than a camera body. So that's pretty much what I want to talk to you today in this video. It's about this EF 24-70mm lens. I know I haven't told from technical side, so you can find that on Google, but I was talking to you about from my experience. And I know I want to upgrade to another lens, same version like 24-70mm, but at the moment, as I have this EF lens, I have no plans to sell it and to lose money on it because it costs a lot of money. Even brand new, it costs like £2,100, and RF lens costs around £2,500. So it's no big difference. The difference is about £400. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe my channel, thumbs up as well, and I'll see you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you're not missing any of my videos. I really hope you like. Until then, I'm gonna see you next video.